I'm diving into the keto diet for 30 days to see if it really is the secret to better health. Can I stick to it and feel amazing by the end? The keto diet has gained popularity in recent years as a health trend, and its basic principle is to put your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Many people struggle with health issues related to diet, such as obesity and metabolic diseases, and are looking for alternative solutions. Diet-related health problems are on the rise, and it's clear that traditional approaches to eating aren't working for everyone. People are searching for a way to take control of their health, and the keto diet has become a popular option. This diet has been touted as a potential solution for those struggling with weight loss and other health issues. The promise of improved health and weight loss has drawn many to try the keto diet, but does it really live up to the hype? The keto diet works by drastically reducing the amount of carbohydrates in your diet, putting your body into a state of ketosis. When you eat carbohydrates, your body uses them for energy, but when you drastically cut back on carbs, your body starts to break down fat for energy instead. This process can have a significant impact on the body, from weight loss to improved blood sugar control. The types of foods included in the keto diet are mostly high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate, which can be a significant departure from the typical modern diet. The science behind the keto diet is complex, but essentially, it's about manipulating your body's metabolism to burn fat for energy. Testimonials and research findings have shown that the keto diet can be incredibly effective for some people. Many have reported significant weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and increased energy levels. Similarly, some studies have even suggested that the keto diet may have benefits for certain health conditions, to improving such as type 2 diabetes and Alzheimer's disease. While the keto diet may not be for everyone, the success stories are undeniable. The potential benefits of the keto diet are clear, but it's also important to consider the several potential risks and drawbacks. These include nutrient deficiencies, constipation, and the so-called keto flu, with symptoms like fatigue and brain fog. Long-term, there are concerns about kidney stones, osteoporosis, and liver disease. The main points to take away are that the keto diet can be a highly effective way to improve your health, but it's not without its potential risks and drawbacks. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the keto diet in the comments below. Have you tried it, and if so, what were your results? Be sure to check out my next video on healthy eating habits for more tips and advice on taking control of your health. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.